Hey friends, Lori Robertson here, and I'm coming to you this afternoon with another Scentsy unboxing. Just got in another package, and like I said on my last video, I've ordered so much Scentsy here recently for different customers and things that I don't know what's in here. So it's going to be a surprise to me. Let's see what we got. It could be Jack Skellington. Just cut the table a little bit. That's awesome. It could be the Jack Skellington stuff. So, nope, I don't think it is. That's okay. We got some room sprays. Breakfast in bed, y'all. It's the best. It's one of our new fall and winter fragrances, and it is so good. It is Jack Skellington. Hold the phone. We're about to get him out of here. Oh yay. This is my fall hand soap 3-pack. This sold out, y'all. Sorry if you didn't get it. So good. I can't wait to use that. Got a purple bulb here. All right, oh, that's my oil. I got the Harvest Collection 3-pack of oil, which might still be available if you're an oil lover. Matcha Chamomile Graham Cracker Crumble. I cannot wait to smell that. And Rosemary Shortbread. Cannot wait to smell those. Got some more scent circles. I am still putting together my fall mystery bags, so some of these things are to go in those. But let's open up. This is how our wax comes when it's hot. Hopefully it'll be cool here pretty soon and we won't have to get wax shipped in these bags. Let's see what we got here. We got some, told y'all I loved breakfast in bed. Here's a 3-pack. My husband actually requested that. He is obsessed with it too. Here is some Jack Skellington wax. We got Jack's Obsession and Halloween Town. This one is new this year, so I have not smelled it. I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, that's nice. Here, JC, smell this. See what you think. Halloween Town is fruity, a little bit fruity. Jack's Obsession we had last year, and it's apple and clove is what I remember.
It smells good.
Yeah, apple and clove. Here, smell that one, see what you think. I really like the Halloween Town one, I think, better than Jack's Obsession. Look how pretty that is, purple wax. I really like this. I gotta warm this and see what it smells like warming. Yeah. JC didn't like Jack's Obsession. It's not my favorite either, but if you like clove and apple, I love apple, but this is kind of a green apple clove scent. But look how cute the packaging is on these bars. If you are a Nightmare Before Christmas fan, those are so cute. And if you, well, they have different artwork on each bar. So get several and you might get different designs. All right, so let's get out the Pumpkin King himself. See how he looks. I like the movie Nightmare Before Christmas, but I'm not obsessed with it like a lot of people are, but it has like a cult following. So if you are a fan, this is a highly collectible item. This is Scentsy's best-selling warmer ever. So it says, every day is Halloween, what a wonderful nightmare. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we got this. I don't know what that is. Here's the wax dish. Look how cute. It says that's a really detailed dish. This is what holds the wax. Hey, Miss Pat. Let's get it out here. There he is. There's the Pumpkin King. Let's see here. The bulb. I'm going to unwrap it so we can see. Oh, it is a really cool looking warmer. JC's nodding his head. Yes, it's cool. Y'all, JC is home with me today, doing online school today. All right, so there's the dish. And then, I guess this thing goes on top. This is for a customer, but I don't think she would mind me opening this just so I could see what it looks like. Maybe if I can get it out of there without damaging it. That'll be great. Y'all, I'm shocked, but the Pumpkin King warmer is still available. The full-size warmer like this one, as well as the mini warmer. So if you know somebody that is a mega fan, this would make a great gift for them for Christmas. Because like I said, the people that love it really love it. So that goes in the top of there. And there we go. Isn't that cool? I'm not going to plug it up because I don't, if this, like I said, this is for a customer and I don't want to do anything to it. Zero, there's the little dog house on the back. Wasn't Zero a dog? Or maybe that's a grave. That's a grave marker? I don't, like I said, I don't know. I'm not a super fan. But if you are, here he is. Jack Skellington. All right, y'all. Have a great day.